Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're working on a 2012 Dodge Charger. Customer complaint is ABS and traction control light are both on, so we're going to see what's going on with that here today. Thanks for watching. And do a health report on it. See what's into it for codes here. Alright, so the powertrain, it looks like it's ready for an oil pressure sensor and a thermostat without doing any testing, but that's not what we're really here to get into, I guess. TCM, clutch temp threshold achieved, shift time reduction, implausible vehicle signal received, active. Alright, ABS, left rear wheel speed sensor, circuit current out of range. Alright, so that's likely what we're dealing with. And then invalid data from the anti-lock brake module. We're not going to worry about these tire pressures. So it looks like we're going to be chasing after the left rear wheel speed sensor. So we'll just enter in there. There we go. Alright, and then we gotta go for a drive here. Alright, it looks like we just got a totally dead sensor there on the left rear. So that'll give us something to investigate back at the shop. Alright, so quick and dirty here. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to jump the right side to the left side and the left side to the right side, and then we're just going to isolate what the issue here is. So if we're getting a reading now on our left side, then then we can go from there and take that data. If we get a reading on the left side, that means that everything is good from here up to the brake control module as far as wiring and all of that. And so we just be looking at replacing this left rear sensor. Otherwise, if we do have an issue there where we don't have a speed sensor now on the left rear, then we would be looking from here up for the issue. So anyways, if we can read a speed sensor right now on the left rear and not on the right rear, we know we have a sensor issue. So we'll be replacing this sensor right here, be this whole wire up to this point. So anyway, that's likely what it is. On this system here, there's a reluctor on the CV axle, and you're not going to be able to see it anyways, but the CV axle has a reluctor that the speed sensor right here reads, and so not a whole lot to really go bad besides the sensor unless that reluctor's broken away or anything like that. But this way we'll at least know and we'll get a reading. So I'll put up a scan tool, and then we'll just let the car run here on the lift and let the wheels spin and see what we pick up for a wheel speed. And so now looking at our data stream, you can see that on the left rear we have a wheel speed and on the right rear we do not. So we are looking at a wheel speed sensor here on that left rear is going to be the issue. Like I say, I've got them crossed right now, so it's actually reading the right rear wheel speed and interpreting that as the left rear. So that's how we know that we can isolate that they got a bad sensor there. So we'll get that left rear wheel speed sensor replaced. And back from the dealer, I got my speed sensor here with the harness. Looks like it's in easy to return packaging. So anyways, we'll go ahead and get this guy installed and make sure that that's going to take care of our issue. So I'll probably just plug it in right quick here, and then we'll just make sure that it senses the speed. Alright, so quick and dirty, just got it plugged in here. Old sensor right there. Got the new one plugged in. And we're going to see if we can sense the speed. And I also got the right rear plugged back in. Alright, now with our magical powers, we can sense the speed. Just sensing the crap out of that speed. It's a little rainy out here, but we'll see if we got some wheel speeds here. Looks like it's upset about my seatbelt being unbuckled. Take that. Alright, now we're good to go. No ABS, no traction control lights on, so got it all fixed up. The customer declined any repairs on the dead tire pressure sensors and any further diagnosis of the check engine light. So we're gonna let all that be for now and just appreciate these wheel speeds. Awesome. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and say if this video helped you out at all, please like, comment, or subscribe. Thanks.